Hello all. We have been started about learning of foundation of Arduino. In this Arduino ID, we will be getting familiar of Arduino ID, and we will be starting with the Blink LED project. It's like a hello world of Arduino or any other of embedded system learning like any other of IDs controllers. So now we have started about with the Arduino. We will be having the required components of Arduino Uno LED with 220 ohm resistor, it will be driver LED, breadboard, and jumper wire and USB cables. So in this basic project, we will be learning about digital output pin configuration and basic sketching structure, and we'll be understanding about Arduino IDE and uploading process, and we will be getting familiar with the digital write and read function and pin numbering. This is a classic Blink project is where we nearly every Arduino journey begins aligned with the universally recommended curriculums across the major education resources. The project is involving wiring an LED to the digital pin and toggling an LED states through a code process that empathize the control of digital outputs, high or low. And we have been using of delay functions of Arduino library. The outcome of this task is will be like setup, particularly the setup and the loop functions that uh, belongs to Arduino logic, and it also introduce the basic debugging skills and importance of the correct component orientation and the register sizing of the circuit protection. So we will be uh, go through of Arduino ID. Okay, this is a basic Arduino ID. Uh, Arduino ID. So here we have select device. Currently, I didn't connect any Arduino device, so it won't be uh, it won't get verified it. So as of now, it will be like select device. Then this is a new file. Examples like we can search any of the examples of built-in examples of Arduino. We have all those sensor, display, strings, USB, digital, analog communication, uh, analog input output, basic programs, and this library. These are the libraries. These are all libraries we can find, and as per our requirement, we can download it, include it, and we can use of them. We can without using this library, we can also create our own function that we can use in our programs. So we are now starting with Blink LED. Okay. Before we, uh, as in C program, before we enter in main loop, we initialize our uh, variables. So here we are initializing our variables int LED. LED pin. In Arduino, we have at digital pin number 13. It is a default LED we have like it was connected. So at the beginning stage, we can use that LED without connecting external LED to Arduino. Another int. It's not needed to create any delay as of now. We will create it further. So now we are setting our input outputs. In void setup, we will be set up a digital pin as a input or outputs. So this is an ID. Uh, as in the select device, it is an if you have connected any Arduino board to the uh, laptop, so it will be detect and it will be shown here. Here the new files. It's like examples like in Arduino we have basic setup of uh, building examples, various communication control sensors like that, and various libraries it will be having. So as per our requirement, we will be using our Arduino included libraries. Otherwise, we can also use without any library also. If we have any function which is we have write by own, so we can use also those libraries. And this is a reference like digital input outputs, like having all the functions. So huh. So now here we are be using blink LED. Before we set up our pin modes, we are be setting our uh, will be giving a pin number 13 as a name like LED pin. I have connected, so it will be variable. So in void setup, we will be having pin setup. It's like pin mode. So we are using pin number 13, right? So that 13 pin number will be output of our project. Otherwise, we can be write this also in some other way. In other way, we will this both ways are right, uh, are proper way. We can use any one of them. So we are instead of using numbers, uh, we are using that pin number is many number time in the program. So it will be creating a mess. So it would be better as we like using as a variable. So if you're searching that pin number 13 is uh, what is connected, like it will be we can be easily verifying it. So both are right ways. We are using one of them. In void loop, we are using our logic to the program to program this LED pin.